Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here.
Recently, Apple launched their very new innovation in the field of technology. Apple's announcement has shook the world of science and innovation. We already know what kind of technologies are available right now in the world, and Apple's adding more to it. Believe it or not, this may turn the whole market either inclined towards them or away from them. But you know what? Apple has never disappointed its customers, so in my opinion, Apple's going to kill it. This new AR headset, which Apple pronounces as Apple Vision Pro, has the capabilities to take the user experience to a whole new level of realism. If this really does well, then no other brands will be able to top Apple ever again. But first, let us understand the concept of this new groundbreaking technology. We all know about VR, that is virtual reality, but this gadget is based on AR technology. So what is actually AR? Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital information, such as virtual objects, onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with the environment. Unlike virtual reality, which creates entirely immersive virtual worlds, AR blends the virtual and real worlds together. AR is commonly experienced through smartphones, tablets, or specialized glasses. By using cameras, sensors, and algorithms, AR devices recognize the real-world surroundings and overlay virtual elements in real time. This can include 3D models, text, images, or interactive elements that appear to coexist with the physical environment. AR has a wide range of applications, including gaming, education, retail, healthcare, design, and entertainment. AR technology allows users to see additional information about objects, navigate with visual overlays, visualize products in real-world environments, receive real-time instructions, or engage in interactive experiences. It has the potential to enhance our daily lives, improve productivity, and transform industries by bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. It seems like Apple's new approach will, for no doubt, increase their sales and profit, but will bring monopoly to a whole different level. And yeah, monopoly is no good. Just like we find Google's applications in almost all the electronic devices like phone, tablet, etc., Apple has a monopoly in the electronic device segment. But keeping that part aside, this all-new AR-based Apple Vision Pro is going to cost not more than $3,499. That's not even my monthly income. Anyways, let me know your opinions in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and a subscription to the channel will be helpful. Thank you.